Hey guys, today we'll go over how to interpret our Flex Series drawings. We'll also go over how to know the details of the project based on the description on the packing slip. When you receive the shipment, there will be a red folder located in one of the boxes. In the folder will be information pertaining to the project as well as the drawings. Here's an example of a drawing for our Flex Series. On the drawing, there will be a line drawing with the layout, the elevation drawings, the installation notes stating where to use the materials we shipped, the project name, and the dealer's name. If you call with any questions on the drawing, please reference the project name and dealer so we can quickly look up the project. Before moving on to interpreting the drawings, there are two details to discuss when it comes to our drawings. First, the dimensions on the drawing are not exact. Reason being is our materials come in lengths to be cut to size on site. Therefore, the exact dimensions will be determined during the layout and framing process. With that said, there will be limitations on how much adjustment can be made to the layout based on how much material is on site. If you run into a layout issue, please give us a call. Second, before cutting any of the materials, make sure to read the installation notes in red on the drawing. If you do not have the installation notes, contact us immediately for the correct drawing. The installation notes are project specific. They explain where to use materials that were quoted and shipped for the project. Using the materials in the incorrect locations could lead to material shortages. When preparing to lay out the wall locations, refer to the overall length dimensions listed on the line drawing. The overall length dimensions will provide an approximate length for each partition based on materials quoted. For the overall height of the wall, the vertical framing is based on the overall height provided during the quoting process. Use the elevation drawing to determine the approximate location of the vertical studs for panel widths. If you see a panel width is listed as 3'11" 3/8", these panels are 48 inches wide. If you see panels evenly spaced, this means the panels will be balanced evenly on the wall. The exact location of the studs will be determined on site. The elevation drawing also shows the door opening widths. Please reference the installation guides and videos for proper spacing for door openings. The elevation drawings also provide an approximate location for horizontal studs when there are horizontal splits on a wall. There will be situations where the horizontal studs need to be in a specific location. This will be related to the door openings. Again, those situations can be referenced in the installation guides and videos when framing door openings. On the last pages of the drawing, you'll find section details. Section details are generalized elevations showing how the framing components come together for different installation situations on a project. There's also keys showing the individual framing components being used for the section detail being shown. The key is important for providing the nomenclature for framing components. To determine the details of the project when installing our Flex Series, use the description page of the packing slip. The description page will state the project name, the type of wall series being installed, the overall ceiling height, the approximate linear footage of the project, the frame finish, the door types and hardware, the glass thickness and whether or not it is a single pane or double pane project, the type of wallboard on the project, as well as any specialty items that can be found on the project. This will conclude the video on how to interpret our Flex Series drawings and understanding the description of the project. If there are any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our office.